Welcome to the darkness of space, where the unknown echoes through the void. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore some of the most mysterious and terrifying sounds from the depths of our solar system. But wait, do you think space is completely silent? Do you believe that the stars and planets float quietly in the endless night? Then what about the sounds that could be straight from hell itself? Have you ever wondered what the sun might sound like? Could it be the terrifying roar from the fiery pits of the inferno? The common belief is that sound can't travel in space because it's a vacuum. But the horrifying truth is, there are sounds out there in the cold, dark abyss, sounds you never expected. How can this be? The sounds we'll be hearing today are unlike anything you've heard before. They are radio waves, born from the unsettling movements of planets, traveling through the vast, empty void of space. Prepare yourself to hear sounds you may never forget. Sounds that might just haunt your dreams. If you want more of this chilling content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with those who you think can handle these terrifying sounds. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the darkness.